Does anyone know the secret of using salt to rejuvenate batteries? It sounds strange, but it's true and rarely known. Many people throw away their batteries when they die, but this simple method is still available. Simply use salt and follow these simple steps, and your battery can be revived. Curious about the results? Watch until the end because the results are truly surprising.
Dead watch battery. Don't rush to buy one. Many people panic when their watch suddenly stops working and, without thinking twice, immediately replace it with a new battery. However, there's a simple trick you can try at home to revive a seemingly dead watch battery. It sounds trivial, but this trick often works and can save you money. Try removing the battery from the watch and cleaning the terminals with a tissue or dry cloth. Sometimes, the problem isn't a completely dead battery, but rather dirt or oxidation that's blocking the flow of electricity. Afterward, you can gently rub the battery terminals with a metal object or even warm them briefly with your hands. This method helps reconnect the battery and slightly wake up any remaining power in the battery. The first step is to prepare hot water, really hot water. Then, pour it into a glass. We'll use this hot water as part of a simple trick to help reactivate a watch battery that looks dead. But remember, be careful when pouring the hot water to avoid scalding your hands. In the next step, we'll begin the process, so make sure everything is ready. Don't skip any steps, as every step is crucial for optimal results. This really hot water is essential to help reactivate the remaining power in the watch battery. So, don't use plain warm water, as it may not produce optimal results. But remember, don't use water that's too hot to the point of being dangerous, just enough to be safe to use, once everything is ready. Let's move on to the next step. Make sure you follow each step correctly to see the results. The next step is to prepare the salt and battery we tested earlier. Then, place the battery in the salt water mixture. Let the battery soak for a while to allow the process to work optimally. A teaspoon of salt water mixture is believed to help draw back any remaining energy remaining in the battery. Now, I want to try the battery one more time by putting it back into the watch. I slowly put it in and watch carefully. Will the watch start moving again this time, or we're a miss point? We can truly determine whether the problem is indeed a dead battery or whether something else is causing the watch to malfunction. Sometimes, it's not the battery that's actually dead, but just the faulty connections. Next, submerge the battery in the salt water you prepared earlier. Ensure the battery is completely submerged for optimal results. Let it sit for a few minutes. But don't leave it for too long to maximize the results. This step allows the battery to react to the salt and water mixture. For the salt, just use enough, no need for too much. The important thing is that the water tastes slightly salty so the process can run smoothly. Don't overdo it, as using too much salt won't have a significant additional effect. So, just a pinch or a little is enough for this step. Make sure everything is balanced so the process remains safe and the results are optimal. After this, we'll move on to the next step. Make sure the battery is completely submerged in the salt water you prepared earlier. Don't let just part of it get wet, as the process won't be optimal if it's not submerged. Let the water and salt mixture sit for a few moments to work its magic throughout the battery. This is a crucial part of the process, so be sure not to skip it. Be careful while doing this, and make sure the battery is completely dry before reuse. Then, you'll see the results. After soaking, the next step is to thoroughly clean the battery. Remove the battery from the salt water and wipe it thoroughly with a tissue or dry cloth. Make sure there's no water or salt residue left on the battery, as this can affect the battery's performance when it's reinstalled in the watch. Dry it thoroughly, taking your time for optimal results. Once the battery is clean and dry, we're ready to move on to the next step, which is to see if the battery is usable again. Once the battery is completely clean and dry, you can gently tap the battery. Just tap lightly, but don't tap too hard to avoid damaging the internal components. The goal is to help reactivate any remaining power inside the battery. Do this carefully and only in moderation. After that, the battery is ready to be tested again. Pay close attention to each step I've taken, and make sure you follow these instructions to ensure your battery remains safe to use. Don't rush. Proceed slowly and carefully to avoid any mistakes. Remember, our goal here isn't just to reactivate the battery, but also to ensure the process is safe and won't damage the battery or your watch. So, follow each step carefully and attentively. By following these instructions correctly, you can try this method with greater confidence and maximize the results. Stay focused, because in the next step, we'll see the final results. Okay, next, let's try putting the battery back into the watch. Do it slowly and make sure it's in the correct position. Now, pay close attention. Are the hands starting to move? Are there any signs of life? This is the deciding moment whether our previous method actually worked or not. Wow, this really worked. The watch, which had previously died, is now back on and running as usual. This proves that the simple method we used earlier can indeed help reactivate a battery that appears to be dead. This is certainly a practical solution for those of you who don't want to immediately spend money on a new battery. With a little effort and the right steps, it turns out even old batteries can still be used again. It really works. You can also try it yourself at home by following the steps I've shown. This method is quite simple and can be a quick solution before you decide to buy a new battery. But remember, proceed carefully and follow each step correctly for maximum results and safety. Not all batteries will work this way, but it's worth a try.